Hello and welcome to today's video on how AI, artificial intelligence, is evolving faster than predicted. AI is no longer a concept of science fiction. It is now a reality that is changing our lives in ways we never thought possible. In today's video, we will explore the latest advancements in AI and discuss how it is evolving faster than predicted. Artificial intelligence has been rapidly adopted by various industries in recent years. Healthcare, finance, and manufacturing sectors are leading the charge in utilizing AI to make better decisions and streamline their operations. AI has been used to analyze medical records, perform financial analysis, and even to create custom products in manufacturing. One of the key drivers of AI evolution is the advancement in machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable AI to learn from data and improve its accuracy over time. Thanks to machine learning, AI systems can now understand natural language, recognize objects in images, and even generate realistic images. Another area where AI is evolving faster than predicted is in robotics. AI-powered robots are now capable of performing tasks that were previously impossible for machines. For instance, robots can now navigate complex environments and even interact with humans in a natural way. The evolution of AI in robotics has led to the development of autonomous cars, drones, and even surgical robots. AI is also changing the way we interact with the world around us. Thanks to AI, companies can now personalize their offerings to each individual customer. From personalized recommendations on e-commerce sites to personalized content on social media, AI is making our lives more convenient and efficient. As AI continues to evolve, it is important to consider its ethical implications. There are concerns around AI replacing human jobs, invading our privacy, and even being used for malicious purposes. It is crucial that we address these concerns and ensure that AI is used for the greater good. In conclusion, AI is evolving faster than predicted, and it is changing the way we live and work. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to personalization, AI is making our lives more convenient and efficient. While there are ethical concerns to address, the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. We are excited to see what the future holds for AI and how it will continue to evolve in the years to come. Thanks for watching.